Want your customers to find all your social media links and store with just one click directly from your product tag? Today, I'll show you how to set up a convenient multi-link page and generate a QR code for laser engraving on leather tags. How does it work? We point the smartphone camera at the engraved QR code, we click the pop-up link and land on the brand's personal page. Let's build the exact same system together from scratch on Linktree. Click the free sign-up button. Log in using a Google account. Type in a unique username. Enter the verification code sent to your email. Skip the offer to test the paid plan. Select the completely free plan. Check the boxes for your page goals, like showcasing resources and building a community. Now, move on to selecting a theme. I'm picking a sleek, dark template. Next up is connecting our resources. Starting with the YouTube channel address, switch over to the Etsy app. Copy the direct link to the store. Paste the copied address into the profile. In Instagram, select the Share Profile menu. Copy the link to the page. Add it to the list. That's how easy it is to add links to all your resources. In the bio section, I briefly write about my handmade products. Use the built-in AI assistant to get a concise phrase in English. Moving on to branding. Click on the avatar icon. Upload the logo directly from the gallery. Switch the layout to classic compact buttons. Change the button text to a clear call to action. Add a recognizable shopping cart icon. In the design settings, customize the color palette. Choose a deep chocolate background and light buttons matching the tone of natural leather. At the bottom of the page, enable clean social media icons. You can also add direct contact icons here to make a call, send a text message, or send an email. Hit the Share button. Open the QR code tab. Download the image in PNG format, or grab an SVG vector file for high-quality printing. Test the QR code with a smartphone camera and check every single link. Done. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.